How to make this neon glow effect in Photoshop to make you look like a Super Saiyan. First we need a level layer. Just reduce this a little bit, and this is okay, just to make it look like a knight. Then we need to select the places where we want to place the neon effect. Just gonna speed this up because no one wants to watch this boring stuff. Then we need to go to blending option, add an inner glow, make it white and just mess with the size and opacity to make it look good. Then we need to add an outer glow. Then cover the layer style and paste it to other layers. Here I'm just gonna go make a copy of this layer and add some blur effect to it, so it makes it more glow. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.